Hello, my name is Joanne Courtice, and Dr. Max has been my orthopedic surgeon for 4 operations so far. I had both of my hips replaced by him in 2018 and 2019. I had my shoulder reconstructed and repaired by him last year in 2022. And I keep coming back. He keeps putting me back together. I had my shoulder rotator cuff repair on my left shoulder 1 week ago today. I could not be happier with the service. Dr. Max Greig is above and beyond the best orthopedic surgeon that I have ever come across. His staff is knowledgeable, friendly. This has just been the most positive experiences that I've ever had in my life. I would not have gotten the care. I live in Canada. My medical doctor in Canada confirmed with me that I would not have gotten the care that I have gotten from Dr. Max. They would have done a half a surgery and repaired half of the damage. Dr. Max went ahead and he has repaired everything. Have a great day.